fear, anger and hatred essentially comes from a lack of perspective as to what life is all about. When I say what life is all about, most of us have forgotten that we were born, we did not exist before that, and we will die in a few years. These few years of our existence, that is, we are alive, is very brief if we look at life in its full depth and dimension. But if we get entangled with our day-to-day concerns, then we will see these few years that we exist is too long and too troublesome. Every human being needs to look at this. Just a few years ago we did not exist, and a few years later we will not exist. Right now we are here, alive, in existence, and this is the most important dimension of our life, our existence. We must pay attention to the nature of our existence. Once we experientially know the nature of our existence, then existing here is a blissful, profound and a fantastic experience. Naturally, life is a movement from bondages of physiology and psychology to the liberation of the spirit.